How to view Chipotle's reward terms and points rules. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see in the official article of Chipotle, you'll find once a Chipotle Rewards participants accumulates the number of points needed for a reward, the participant can redeem their points in the rewards exchange section of their account. And then you'll find other point rules as well, like points surrendered to Chipotle in exchange for Chipotle's conjunction with the offer, but such opportunities would otherwise constitute a reward that is governed by these Chipotle Rewards terms. And to join Chipotle's reward, what you can do is go to the chipotle.com/rewards website. Here, click on Join Now. After you click on Join Now in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. And you'll find other points information, earn even more points, extras, or rewards, member exclusive that get to you your next reward faster. Complete challenges to earn more points and badges. And this is how to view Chipotle's rewards, terms, and point rules. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.